Grade 5 English Lesson number 4. Unit 2. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and say the words, then read and listen to the sentences. Diverse. Identify. Tracker. Protect. Naturalist. Poaching. Damaged. Conservation. Preservation. Inspired. Population. Reserve. Diverse. Diverse means having a great deal of variety. 1. Wildlife in the mountains is diverse. There are many kinds of animals. Identify. Identify means to indicate or find out something or someone. 2. Can you identify the animal in this picture? 3. Tracker. Tracker is a person or a machine that finds out the location of someone or something. A tracker is trained to find animals. Protect. Protect means to save something from danger. We need to protect our forests so animals can survive there. Naturalist. Naturalist is a person or a student who studies the history of nature. Naturalists study living things. Poaching. Poaching is an illegal act of killing or hunting the animals in the forest. Poaching is illegal. A poacher kills animals. Damaged. Damaged means destroyed. When a habitat is damaged, animals can't live there. Conservation. Conservation means to save something. Conservation of animals' habitats is important for their survival. Preservation. Preservation means to maintain something. Sanctuaries help the preservation of endangered animals. Inspire. To fill up the will of doing something in someone. The beauty of the mountains often inspires artists to paint. Population. Population is the number of members of a particular species. The population of mountain gorillas has recently gone down. Reserve. Reserve means safety from danger. Animals that are endangered sometimes live in a reserve. Reserve means a safe that is kept for a particular species. B. Write each word in the correct columns. Preservation, protect, tracker, conservation, identify, naturalist, inspire. Now we have to write these words in these columns. People's talk, good ideas, and actions. The first word is preservation. Preservation is to maintain something. It is a good idea. Write it in the column good ideas. Protect. Protect means to save something. Write it in the column of actions. Tracker. Tracker is a person who traces the location of someone or something. Write it in the column people's job. Conservation. Conservation means to save something. Write it in the column good ideas. Identify. Identify means to find out or indicate someone or something. It is an action. Write it in the column action. Naturalist. Naturalist is a person who studies the nature. Write it in the column People's Job. Inspire. Inspire is an act of feeling the will to do something in someone. It is also an action. Write it in the column in actions. C. Work with your partner to complete the sentences. 1. The number of animals in a group is the dash. Population. 2. When a habitat is dash, animals can't live there. Damaged. 3. A dash is a place for endangered animals to be safe. Reserve. 4. There are lots of species here. There is a dash group. Diverse. Now students, work on your student book. This is all for today's lesson. We'll see you in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.